Hello, and welcome back to EnglishAudio, the place to improve your English. Just by listening, we read clear and slow English to help beginners. I want to ask you a quiet question, a question for your heart. How do you talk to yourself when no one else is listening? When you look in the mirror in the morning? When you face a new challenge? Is the voice kind? Or is the voice afraid? Many of us live with a small, scared voice. It whispers to us, "You are not ready. You are not smart enough. Your English is too bad. People will laugh at you." This voice is heavy. It feels like carrying a backpack full of rocks. We walk through life bent over. We want to run. We want to fly. But the rocks hold us down. Today I want to help you. Take off that backpack. I want to share a secret weapon. It comes from a powerful leader named Garvey. He understood the human spirit, and he gave us this truth. If you have no confidence in self, you are twice defeated. In the race of life, with confidence you have won before you have started. Let's breathe those words in. Twice defeated. Won before you started. What does this mean? To understand this, we must visualize a race. Close your eyes and see a track. The sun is shining on the red ground. There's a crowd watching. This is the race of life. We are all runners in this race. Now imagine two runners standing at the starting line. Let's look at the first runner. Let's call him Tom. Tom is strong. He has good muscles. He has expensive shoes. But look at his face. His head is down. His shoulders are low. Inside his mind, there is a storm. He is thinking, "I cannot win. The others are faster than me. I am going to fall." Tom has no confidence. The quote says he is twice defeated. The first defeat happens in his head. He lost the mental battle. Because he lost in his head, his body becomes weak. His energy disappears. When the race starts, he will run slowly. So he will lose the physical race too. Defeat number 1, fear. Defeat number 2, failure. Twice defeated. Now let's look at the second runner. Let's call her Sarah. Sarah is not the biggest runner. She does not have expensive shoes. Maybe her English is not perfect yet. But look at her face. Her chin is up. Her eyes are bright. She is looking at the finish line. Inside her mind, there's a clear sky. She is thinking, "I can do this. I am ready. I am strong." She has confidence. The quote says she has won before she started. Why? Because she won the mental battle. Because she believes in herself. Her body is full of energy. She will run with all her heart. Even if she does not come in first place, she has already won. She defeated the fear. This is the race we run every day. When you try to speak English, it is a race. When you apply for a job, it is a race. When you meet new people, it is a race. Are you Tom or are you Sarah? Are you defeating yourself before you open your mouth? Many people think confidence is magic. They think some people are born with it. I was born shy. I cannot change. This is a lie. Confidence is not magic. Confidence is a muscle. Think about your arm muscles. If you want them strong, what do? You exercise. You lift things. Confidence is the same. You must build it, little by little. So how do we build this muscle? How do we stop being twice defeated? I have 3 gentle steps for you. Step 1. Change the story. Listen to the voice in your head. If it says, you will make a mistake, don't fight it. Just correct it. Say gently, I might make a mistake, but that is okay. I will learn. If it says, they are better than you, correct it. Say, they are on their own race. I am on mine. I am doing my best. This small change stops the defeat. Step 2. Change your posture. This sounds simple, but it is powerful. When you feel scared, your body gets small. You look down. You cross your arms. This tells your brain, we are losing. Try this tomorrow. Before you do something hard, stand up tall. Open your chest. Lift your chin. Smile, even if you don't want to. Your body will send a message to your brain. We are strong. We are ready. You are physically preparing to win. Step 3. Collect small wins. Confidence comes from evidence. You need proof that you are good. Don't try to run a marathon today. Just run 1 block. When you finish, say, I did it. Don't try to speak English for an hour. Speak for 1 minute. Then say, I did it. Collect these small gold medals. Put them in your heart. When the big race comes, you can look at your medals. You will remember, I am a person who succeeds. I can trust myself. Imagine what your life would look like if you stopped defeating yourself. Imagine walking into a room and feeling calm. Not arrogant, not loud, just calm. You know you have prepared. You know you are worthy. People will see it in your eyes. They will see the winner before you speak. Opportunities will come to you. Doors will open. Because the world loves confidence. The world trusts people who trust themselves. So my friend, the race is waiting. The track is ready. Do not be your own enemy. Be your own best friend. Cheer for yourself. Take a deep breath. Stand tall. And whisper to yourself, I have won before I started. Now start running. Thank you for listening to English Audio today. We hope this message helps you on your journey. Like and subscribe to our channel for more lessons. See you next time.